How to fix the variations option not showing on eBay. So typically when you create a new listing on eBay, you should be able to find the variation option just below here. Now if you can't see this option, there's 3 reasons why this may happen. Now the first thing you need to check is if you scroll down to the pricing, you need to make sure the format is set to buy it now. Now variations won't work with auction, you can only use it for buy it now listings. And once you've done that, you can scroll back up and check if this option's now reappeared. If you still can't see this, it may be because of the category you've selected for your item. Now variations are only available for certain categories in eBay, so anything like clothing or toys, then you'll probably have the option to add variations, but there are some categories on eBay where this option won't be available. Now the final thing you need to check to make sure this option appears is if you scroll right to the top of the page, you'll see these 3 vertical dots. Go and click on this. You can then click on settings and you need to make sure the variations is turned on and enabled like this. Once you've turned this on, you can then scroll back down and you should now be able to see the variation listing. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.